Hello everybody, welcome to Wilson County Chevrolet Buick GMC of Lebanon, Tennessee. My name is Brian Griz. Just got in a few more 2015 and a half after September production GMC Denali. These are 3,500 HD crew cab, 11,500 pound GVWR. They're Duramax Plus packages. Got some great new features we'll take a look at. I've got one in iridium and one in the summer white with a jet black interior. I've got the all-new 18-inch, which is your upgraded wheel on the 3,500 chrome style wheel. Those are LT 265/70 18-inch Michelin LTX all-terrains. Got the off-road suspension package. It's got the Rancho shock, skid plates, hill descents. Got 6-inch side steps. The Denali HD logos on the door. The all-new trailer tow. These are got the chrome mirrors, signal built in. They got an LED puddle lamp, signal built in, and those are also power folds. You can fold those in. They do the matching antenna on top now, painted color key. Got the power moonroof, chrome door handles, chrome trim around the windows, painted to match. Door sill in between. These are equipped identical, beautiful Denali grill. Got the chrome bezel around the fog lamp. They got the Duramax with Allison stamping up on the hood, the nice badging. Fascia, tow hooks, driver's alert, lamps. Pictures, copy the window sticker. You can check out our website. It's wilsoncounty.motors.com, or you can call me directly at 855-507-8520. 3,500 Duramax Plus. Got the driver's alert, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, safety alert seat, power sunroof, off-road suspension package, the upgraded all-terrain tires. Got the front radiator cover. They got the fifth wheel with camper wiring provision. 373. It's got the auto locking rear differential, engine block heater. Total list price is $65,345. Again, this one is the iridium, jet black interior. Got the white stitching and the seating, the Denali logo and the headrest. They got heated and cooled seats, very nicely decored. Satin nickel accents, wood grain, climate controlled seats, Bose audio, Denali door sills. Got the class 3 insert, goes into your 4 on the hitch. We welcome business from all 50 U.S. states. We do not export. Got the power sliding window with rear window defrost, carpeted floor mats. Lots of storage in your doors. They also have standard spray and bed liner. Got the Denali stamping up front, done from the factory. Got this GMC box rail covers, a side step with a bumper. Match rear bumpers, and another Denali logo. 7 and 4 pin wire hookup. This 6 Duramax under the hood, matted with the Allison transmission. You get a 2-year, 24,000 mile GM maintenance plan. Includes diesel oil changes, 4-wheel tire rotation, and a DEF fill up of 2.5 gallons on your DEF fluid. Great selection of HD trucks available in both GMC and Chevrolet. We are a 3-generation family-owned dealership since 1927, a Bone family tradition. And these trucks retail for $65,345. You can give me a call for best pricing. Any more information? We do consider trade-ins. We have financing available with approved credit. You can also check out our reviews online. If you're from out of state and you have questions about buying out of state, again, my number is 855-507-8520, or you can email me Brian at Wilson County Auto with an I. We have complimentary Nashville B&A airport pickup available. So loaded up with great equipment. Memory on the driver's side. Your auto headlamps, auto four-wheel drive, the trailer brake control. So just in. They go fast, so if you're looking for one, call me before they're gone. Got lots of chrome trimming, lots of power points. Got the GMC Sierra with navigation. Again, these trucks are both equipped identical. Beautiful Denali display. It's got the digital printout. They also have the 4G wireless with Wi-Fi. Your heated steering wheel, all your cruise control.
Demonstration mode. Connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar button to learn more.
You get a complimentary satellite radio for 1 year of the NFL, combination with GMC. Change your collision alert. Just absolutely beautifully decored trucks. Lots of applications, navigation, hands-free with phone, audio, Pandora, weather apps, texting, OnStar. Hourly, daily, little screen. Hey, it's Brian Griz at Wilson County Chevrolet Buick GMC of Lebanon, Tennessee. Your fastest growing Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky dealer around. 855-507-8520. Give me a call to find out why we are one of the best places to do business. Thank you, and have a great day.